In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a payment method for Google Sites. To get started, you will need access to your organization's Google Admin Console. This process is managed from the Admin Console because billing and payment methods are tied to your Google subscription, not to an individual Google site. Make sure you are signed in with an administrator account that has billing permissions. If you are not using an admin account, you may not see the billing options we are about to open. First, sign in to the Google Admin Console. Once you are in, take a moment to confirm you are in the correct admin environment for the account you want to manage, especially if you administer more than one organization. Next, look at the left-hand menu and find Billing. Click Billing and then select Subscriptions. This area shows the products your organization is currently paying for, such as a workspace plan that can be connected to services you use alongside Google Sites. Now, in the Subscriptions list, click your subscription name. You might see a plan like a Google Workspace subscription. Opening the subscription details is important because it is where the billing settings and payment options are managed for that specific service. After you open the subscription, find and select the option to view payment methods. This will display the payment methods currently on file, if any. It is a good idea to review what is already listed, so you avoid adding a duplicate card or bank account, and so you know which method is set as the primary option for billing. Then choose Add Payment Method. When the payment form opens, carefully enter your card or bank information exactly as it appears on your account. Take your time here, since small typos can cause verification or processing issues later. Also, double-check billing address details if they are requested, because they often need to match what your bank has on record. Finally, select Save. After saving, confirm that the new payment method appears in the list of payment methods. If you manage multiple subscriptions, remember that you may need to repeat these same actions under other subscriptions if they use separate billing setups. And that is all there is to it.